We recently asked ChatGPT about the best trading strategy featuring MACD and RSI. And the answer really surprised us. It outlined the exact rules for entering long and short trades and how to manage our money. In this video, we will explain this strategy in detail and give you a bunch of trade examples. We will also make our own changes to the strategy so that you get more accurate trade entries. Traders, before we begin, please take a moment to like this video for YouTube's algorithm. Also, subscribe to our channel for more magic indicator strategies in the future. Okay, so before we explain how this trading algorithm given by ChatGPT functions, we need to add the following indicators to the price chart. The strategy uses 3 free scripts: moving average convergence divergence, relative strength index, and a regular moving average. So open the indicators and search for the first one, which is MACD. Select this indicator right here. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify trend changes and potential buy or sell signals in the financial markets. It consists of 2 lines, the MACD line and the signal line. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-day exponential moving average EMA from the 12-day EMA. The signal line is a 9-day EMA of the MACD line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is considered a bullish signal and traders may consider buying. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is considered a bearish signal and traders may consider selling. The MACD indicator can also be used to identify divergences between the price and the indicator, which can indicate potential trend reversals. The next indicator we need to add to the chart is called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a technical analysis tool used by traders to measure the strength of a stock's price action. It is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, ranging from 0 to 100. An RSI reading above 70 is considered overbought, which means that the stock may be due for a price correction or reversal. Conversely, an RSI reading below 30 is considered oversold, which means that the stock may be due for a price rebound or reversal. The RSI is calculated by comparing the average gains and losses of the stock over a specific time period, typically 14 days. Traders may use the RSI indicator to identify potential buy or sell signals. For example, if a stock has an RSI reading above 70, it may be overbought and traders may consider selling. Conversely, if a stock has an RSI reading below 30, it may be oversold and traders may consider buying. RSI will be used as a secondary confirmation indicator in our strategy. Lastly, open the indicators one more time and search for a moving average. Choose this indicator. Traders use moving averages to identify potential trend changes and to determine support and resistance levels. For example, if the stock price is trading above the moving average, it may be considered a bullish signal, indicating that the stock is in an uptrend. Conversely, if the stock price is trading below the moving average, it may be considered a bearish signal, indicating that the stock is in a downtrend. ChatGPT mentioned that we should use a moving average with the length set at 20. So let's access the indicator settings and change the parameters. The trading rules suggested by ChatGPT are as follows. Step 1. We need to determine the trend direction using MACD. This means that we should look for a crossover of the MACD line and the signal line. A bullish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating a potential uptrend. A bearish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, indicating a potential downtrend. Once the trend direction is identified, we need to wait for a retracement to the 20-period moving average. The next step will be to confirm the trend using RSI. We basically need to look for oversold or overbought conditions. An RSI reading below 30 indicates oversold conditions, while an RSI reading above 70 indicates overbought conditions. If the trend direction is bullish, we have to wait for oversold conditions to enter a long trade. If the trend direction is bearish, we need to look for overbought conditions to enter a short trade. We tried to find a valid trade entry that would meet these requirements, however we couldn't. The RSI simply does not get oversold or overbought at the retracement to the moving average. But when it does, the trend direction is completely changed. In order to fix this, we need to access the settings on RSI and change the length from 14 to 10. We also need to adjust the RSI upper and lower bands to 60 and 40 accordingly. In addition, the moving average length will be changed from 20 to 100. This way we make sure that minor price fluctuations do not affect the longer-term trend. Once the changes have been made, we can start looking for buy and sell signals. So, in order to enter a long trade, the following conditions must be in place. First, the price must retrace to its 100 moving average. This is necessary to make sure that we're not buying overbought stock. Second, the RSI must be oversold during the price retracement. Third, the MACD must issue a bullish cross. The cross needs to happen below the zero line. This is very important. Finally, at the time we have a cross, the price must close above the 100 moving average. A strong bullish candle bar must be formed. Enter a long trade at the close of the candlestick and target 2 times the risk as suggested by ChatGPT. Set the stop loss below the recent swing low. Adjust the stop loss to break even once the price has moved in your favor. Here's another example of a long entry. Watch how all the rules are met. For a short entry, do the opposite. To begin with, wait until the price has retracted to its 100 moving average. Then take a quick look at the RSI. It must be overbought. The next step is to check the MACD. A bearish cross must be present above the zero level. Lastly, make sure the closing price is below the moving average at the time MACD gives a signal. Place a sell order at the close of the price bar and target 2 times the risk. Set the stop loss above the recent swing high. Traders, if you're enjoying this trading strategy, don't forget to like this video. Make sure to backtest this strategy on every time frame and market you're willing to trade in. This way you will gain full confidence in placing trades when trading live. Trading is a probability game. Your goal is to use an algorithm that gives you an edge in the market. We believe the strategy presented in this video can be highly effective when trading Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Best of luck.